So here is interesting app, Checkmate, savings shipping. Yeah, it's just went viral in recent days. It's skyrocketed to the top chart in the US App Store in like shopping categories and seems other categories. So what it does, like save money while you shop on your phone. Checkmate will automatically apply codes on Safari when we find you a deal. Users save twice as much as any other saving tool. Never miss a deal. Automatically apply deals while you shop on your phone. Get $5 when you sign up and $5 for every friend you refer. Um, so that's basically that. Apply deals you get sent automatically. So basically, of course, you have a lot of these apps like coupon deals and all of these cashback apps. There are like so many of those, but this is like a mobile first app where you can just tap add to Safari and then you just add it like to extensions. Um, Tap A in the address bar and then go to manage extensions, toggle on Checkmate and select done. Manage extensions. And then here, yeah, you can just tap the Checkmate extension and then just tap done. So yeah, you can see here review. Select always allow and lastly select allow on every website. Then here you can just see some of the websites, and then you can just allow for 1 day. So yeah, something like this. And then yeah, you can just try to go to Amazon and then just let's see if there are some savings here. And then yeah, you, for example, you can just search for this, for example, and then I don't know, like basically, of course, if you're just shopping, you will see this extension available here, and then it will just show you up if there are some deals or coupons and stuff like that. You don't need to click on this extension. I think it will automatically pop up for you. Maybe not on Amazon website, but some local e-commerce shop and all of that. I think they should include like all the major ones. So anyhow, this is the idea of the app. Hope that is helpful, and yeah, thank you for watching.